Okay, in 8G, we're factorising trinomials in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is no longer 1. All of the trinomials that were factorised up until now, the coefficient of the x squared term has been 1. So this is a non-monic, that is a non-coefficient of 1. And the way that we're going to do this instead is, I want to think of two numbers that when we add together gives me my little number of 11. But the same two numbers, when I multiply them, have to give me 5 times 2. So the two numbers multiply to equal a times c, and the two numbers add to equal b, where this is a and this is c, and b is the middle term. So 5 times 2 is 10. So I need two numbers that add to give me 11 and multiply to give me 10. And I'm thinking 1 and 10 and 1 and 10. So they're the two numbers that I'm thinking of. So that would be 2x squared plus x plus 10x plus 5. So we're using my x and my 10 and my x and my 10 to break 11x into x plus 10x. And that gives me x, the common factor of x plus 1, and 2x plus 1, and a common factor of plus 5, 2x plus 1, and that gives me x plus 5, 2x plus 1 will be my common factors. So the same thing with here in question number 2a. I want two numbers that add to give me 9 and multiply to give me 2 times 4 or 8. And I'm thinking of the numbers 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 gives 9, and 1 plus 8, 1 times 8 gives 8. So I'll have 2x squared plus x plus 8x plus 4, and I'll have x, 2x plus 1, plus 4, 2x plus 1, which gives me 2x plus 1 times x plus 4 is going to be the answers. Now, I think that there's another way that you can solve this that's going to give you the same answers, but might be a bit quicker or easier. So I'd like to crisscross and two numbers that multiply to give 2x squared, so let's say 2x and x, and I need to have 5 and 1 over here. But when you multiply across the cross, it has to equal 11. So if I put my 5 there and my 1 there, x times that's 5x, 2 times that's 2x, add together to give 7x, and that's no good. I needed 11x. So I'm going to place instead 5 down here and the 1 up there, and x times 1 gives x, 2x times 5 gives 10x, add them together 11x, and that's correct. So that gives me my two factors of 2x plus 1, x plus 5, and that's the same as what we got up there. So the same thing, crisscross, I'm going to do 2x and x. Now I'm thinking 2 and 2, that's going to give me 4 plus 2 gets 6, that's no good. 4 and 1, that's going to give me 4x plus 2x, that's no good. 1 and 4, that's the same as that one. 1 and 4, 2x times 4 is 8x, x times 1 is x, add them together 9x, perfect. So I've got my 2x plus 1, and x plus 4 is going to be my answers. So in this section, we're looking at non-monic trinomials and working out how to factorise them.